Today I'm going to be baking chicken thighs. Brush with olive oil. Season with salt. Garlic powder. Black pepper. Smoked paprika. Add in dried thyme. Onion powder. Woo-wee, I'm looking pretty. Rub in the seasoning. Make sure to get underneath the skin. All around the chicken. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. This chicken needs your efforts to get cooked to the best qualities. You want high quality chicken, you gotta get your hands messy. This is gonna bake at 420 degrees until an internal temperature of 165 is reached. Prep sweet potatoes, diced, and rice into a container. And chickens come out nicely seasoned and crispy. Add them to the prepared sweet potatoes and rice. This will store in your freezer for a future lunch for up to a week. If you made it this far in the video and you want to see more meal preps like this, like, share, and comment.